How to withdraw from TonKeeper. Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to withdraw from TonKeeper. So guys, assuming you want to withdraw from TonKeeper to your Binance application, I'm going to be showing you how to go about this one. So the first step is to open your TonKeeper account over here. As you can see, this is my TonKeeper wallet. So I'm assuming I want to withdraw USDT from my TonKeeper to Binance. So you tap on USDT there and just tap on send there. When you tap on send, come and head over to your Binance application. Remember, you're sending from TonKeeper to Binance. Literally, you're withdrawing from TonKeeper to your Binance. So come to Binance and then head over to wallet and then come to spot, then come to deposit there. And then you come and look for USDT. Okay, so you come and search for USDT over there, and then you can choose any network of your choice. So for my case, I'll choose Tron TRC20 network, or you can choose the Binance Smart Chain network, and then copy the address over here. Okay, wallet address is copied. So when the wallet address is copied, head over to your TonKeeper and then paste this one over here, the wallet address. So after pasting it, you can even add a comment over there. Okay, after adding a comment, just tap on send. Okay, and then you'll be able to send your coins, or you'll be able to withdraw your coins from TonKeeper to your Binance. Okay guys, so thanks for watching. Ensure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet.